Mayor Eric Adams wrapping up a visit to El Paso, Texas and the U.S.-Mexico border, now announcing the next steps in his plan to fight the growing number of immigrants and asylum seekers in New York. One News 12's Greg Thompson joining us now after listening in. Greg, what can you tell us?
The mayor getting a first-hand look at the border and conditions for migrants in Texas as he says that New York saw record numbers of asylum seekers arrive here in the 5 boroughs just last week, stretching the limits of the city's social services and creating what he calls a national crisis.
Our cities are being undermined, and we don't deserve this. Migrants don't deserve this, and the people who live in the cities don't deserve this.
According to Adams, over 26,000 immigrants are still in city care, and it's getting harder and harder to make sure these fellow human beings have more than just a bed to sleep in, but also food, education, healthcare, and ways to get jobs and contribute themselves. Adams saying that while the cities around the country did not create this problem, they will work to fix it, calling on his fellow mayors to team up and coordinate to find solutions, as long as the federal government then implements them, including picking up the entire costs. Similarly, Adams also asking FEMA to get involved, saying that they should appoint a specific coordinator as a way to centralize the response.
We should not have to have a disjointed coordination. This is the job of FEMA. FEMA should step up and coordinate this effort. This is a national problem. We must have real immigration reform, and we must immediately have a short-term fix of making sure that the cost of this does not fall on our local cities.
And Adams saying that he'll be in Washington, D.C. later this week for the American Conference of Mayors, and he hopes that there all the city leaders will be able to start those conversations about ways that they can work together on the issue.